In this video I'll explain how to remove the intercept from a linear regression model using the R programming language. So without too much talk, let's dive into the R code. In this video I will show you an example, and this example is based on the data frame that we can create with lines 2 to 6 of the code. So if you run these lines of code, you can see at the top right of RStudio that a new data frame object is appearing, which is called data. And we can print the first 6 rows of this data frame to the RStudio console by running line 7 of the code. And then you can see that our data contains 3 columns, which are called x1, x2 and y. And the y variable will be used as outcome variable, and the variables x1 and x2 will be used as predictors. So let's assume that we want to estimate a linear model of these data. Then we can apply the lm function, as you can see in line 9 of the code. And within the lm function we need to specify our formula. So as I have explained before, we are using the y variable as target variable or as outcome variable, and the variables x1 and x2 as predictors. And then we also need to specify the name of our data set within the lm function. So in this case our data set is called data. And then we are storing the output of the lm function in a new data object, which we call mod intercept. So if you run line 9 of the code, you can see that a new model object is appearing at the top right, which is called mod intercept. And we can return the summary statistics of this model by applying the summary function, as you can see in line 10 of the code. So after running this line of code, you can see at the bottom in the RStudio console that we have returned a summary output of our linear model. And you can see in this case our model contains the intercept. So in the middle of this output you can see the estimates of the intercept in our model. So let's assume that we want to remove this intercept from our regression model. And then we can apply the code that you can see in line 12. So in this line of code, I'm basically using the same syntax as in the previous code. However, this time I'm also adding 0 plus in front of our predictor variables. So if you run line 12 of the code, you can see that another model object is appearing at the top right, which is called mod noIntercept. And if we apply the summary function to this new model, as you can see in line 13 of the code, a new model output is returned at the bottom in the RStudio console. And this time, as you can see, no intercept is shown in our estimates anymore. That's all I wanted to explain in this video. In case you want to learn more on this topic, you may check out my homepage, statisticsglobe.com, because on my homepage I have recently published a tutorial in which I'm explaining the content of this video in some more detail. I will put a link to this tutorial into the description of the video, so you can find it there. If you have liked this video or if you have any questions, let me know in the comments section below. I'll try to respond to all comments as soon as I can. Furthermore, make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel to get notified about future video releases. I have already published about 500 videos on this channel, and I'm releasing new videos on a daily basis. Thanks a lot for watching. See you in the next video.